Next, we're going to revisit this same poem that we read on Monday because it's an excellent example of how to use metaphor in a poem. And it's a particularly good example because it elaborates on why the poet compares one thing to another thing. So let's just read a little bit here. My family lives inside a medicine chest. Well, that's a metaphor in itself, right? Do they actually live in a medicine chest? No, of course not. Let's read on and see why the poet says that they do, though. Dad is the supersized band aid. Well, is the dad actually a supersized band aid? No, but why is the poet comparing her dad to a supersized band aid? Well, she goes on and says, strong and powerful, but not always effective in a crisis. So now we know why the poet compares her dad to a band-aid, because he's strong like a band-aid, he's powerful like a band-aid, but not always effective in crisis. You wouldn't want a band-aid if you had some really serious injury. So this little elaboration here helps explain why the poet chose to compare her dad to a band-aid. If she had just left it at this, dad is the supersized band-aid, we might be left wondering, okay, why is he a band-aid? Is he sticky? Supersized? Does that mean that he's really, really big? Well, I'm not quite sure, but because she says that he's strong and powerful, but not always effective in a crisis, that helped explain why she chose this metaphor in comparing him to a band-aid. So this time, when we're writing our metaphors, I'd like you to add a just brief description of why you are comparing yourself to the thing that you're comparing yourself to. So for this first one, when at home, I am a. So I have to think, all right, what am I like when I'm at home? Well, recently, I don't do a whole lot, right? I don't move a whole lot. So I might start thinking about, well, what else doesn't do a whole lot? How about a slug, right? Slugs move slow. So I'm going to say, when I'm at home, I am a slug. If I left it there, our reader might have all kinds of ideas, right? They might think, well, is he like slimy at home? Why is he a slug at home? So I'm going to elaborate a little bit, and I'm going to say, when I'm at home, I am a slug. Well, it's because I move slowly around the house, right? I move slowly from place to place. So when I'm at home, I'm a slug. I move slowly from place to place. Next. When I'm mad, I am a. Well, what am I like when I'm mad? And I mean, what is something that I could compare myself to when I'm mad? When I'm mad, I'm only mad for a short period of time. So I might compare myself to a bolt of lightning, right? I strike quickly, but then I'm over. My anger is over as soon as you know it. So I might say that when I'm mad, I am a lightning bolt. I strike quickly, but my anger is gone in an instant. The last one is, when it's sunny outside, I am a. So what can you compare yourself to when it's sunny outside, and why? So here you need to finish each of these sentence starters. What can you compare yourself to, and give a brief explanation or elaboration as to why you are that thing.